If you love discovering clever tools that make your life easier, cleaner, and more organized, you're gonna love this video. These products aren't just smart, they're life-changing in the little ways that matter most. Let's jump into the 6 genius gadgets that'll make your home life smoother, cleaner, and way more efficient. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, Dog Bed Sofa. Every pet deserves a cozy, stress-free nap spot, and this calming dog bed delivers just that. Shaped like a soft donut and made with luxurious long plush, this round pet mat is ultra warm and super comfortable. Your furry friend will fall in love instantly. Filled with soft PP cotton and built with an anti-slip bottom, this bed is perfect for dogs and cats alike. It comes in sizes ranging from XS to XXL, fitting pets from under 2.5 kilograms all the way to 35 kilograms. Whether you have a tiny kitten or a big Labrador, there's a size to suit them. With 14 gorgeous colors to choose from, including pink, gray, coffee, and even vibrant rose, you'll find the perfect match for your home decor. Plus, it's machine washable, making it practical for daily use. Once your pet tries it, don't be surprised if they never want to sleep anywhere else again. Number 5, chair leg caps. Scratches on wooden floors? Annoying scraping noise every time someone moves a chair? These silicone chair leg caps solve all of that instantly. They're soft, flexible, and super easy to slip onto the bottom of your chairs. No glue, no sticking, just wrap and go. They stay put, prevent damage to your floors, and reduce noise when moving furniture. Perfect for dining chairs, bar stools, or even tables, they fit most round-legged furniture. Available in sets of 8, 16, 24, or 32, you can outfit your entire home with these simple yet powerful little protectors. If you want peace and quiet and to protect your floors in style, these are a must. Number 4, power meter plug. If you're looking to reduce your energy bill or monitor your appliance usage, this digital power meter is a brilliant tool. Just plug it into your socket, connect your appliance, and get real-time readings of voltage, current, wattage, and energy consumption. It features a clear LCD screen, tracks usage over time, and can even alert you when an appliance exceeds safe power limits. It's a great way to figure out which devices are energy hogs in your house and optimize your usage. Whether you're eco-conscious, budget-minded, or just love data, this compact gadget puts the power, literally, in your hands. Number 3, hair cutting cloak. DIY haircuts just got way easier and way less messy. This umbrella-shaped hair cutting cloak catches every stray hair while you trim at home. It fits comfortably around the neck and acts like a shield, preventing hair from falling onto your clothes or the floor. Great for both adults and kids, it's especially useful for quick trims, neck shaves, or at-home barber sessions. The silver nylon material is easy to clean, folds flat for storage, and fastens quickly with an adjustable closure. No more itchy shirts, no more vacuuming the floor after a haircut. This tool is a game changer for any home grooming routine. Number 2, shower head brush. This tiny tool packs a powerful punch when it comes to deep cleaning. These anti-clogging brushes are perfect for clearing out tiny holes in your shower head, faucet, toilet nozzle, or even your phone charging port. Made of durable polypropylene and soft nylon bristles, they clean without scratching delicate surfaces. The non-slit handle with textured grip makes them easy to control, even when wet. Each set includes 10 or 20 brushes in a neat row-style pack, so they're easy to store or share. Whether it's the bathroom, kitchen, or even your car vents, these micro brushes reach where your fingers can't. Number 1, Power Scrubber Kit. Say goodbye to scrubbing with your hands. This drill-powered scrubber brush kit turns any cordless drill into a powerful cleaning tool. With brush sizes in 3.5, 4, and 5 inches, you can tackle everything from stubborn grout to greasy kitchen counters. The durable nylon bristles won't scratch surfaces, but are tough enough for tiles, tubs, floors, carpets, sinks, and even car interiors. Each color brush represents a different hardness, so you can use the right brush for the right job. Just attach the 1/4 inch connector to your drill, and you're ready to blast through dirt and grime in half the time. It's fun, effective, and seriously satisfying. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.